dark, and I am doing my own lighting now. But look at this honking hood, man. Look how pretty Ford did such a great job with these bodies. Look at the hood on this car. Look at that. Look at that. Rich, that's a great idea, man. I don't know why I didn't think of this. And look, I got special effects too. Watch this. I can do a flashing light. Oh, I just blinded everybody. See, I got a flashing light.
There's a crazy Ken Bell boosted. Oh, what up? There's a crazy Ken Bell boosted Mustang over there.
Show me. Take me to it. All right.
It's got a color shift too.
Stop! 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 I brought the nice vlog over here. Would you look at this? Would you just look at it? Would you look at that? Would you just look at it?
Is this yours?
No, it's his.
It's yours?
Mine.
It's yours?
Oh, shit, yeah, it's
Sorry,
mine.
man, we need a light. This is his Mustang. What year is it?
04.
04?
Yes.
Yeah, and what did you do to it? Wait a minute, this other car making a little noise on us here.
Good old 240.
Yeah, he's happy. So go ahead. What has it got in it?
Cam, supercharger, full exhaust, intake, tune, gears, slightly lowered.
How old are you?
19.
Nice. 19-year-olds showing Mustang love right there. Look at that. Look at the details on that.
Would you just look at it? It's so nice. So nice.
You're being sarcastic, Ryan.
So nice.
I caught you.
Would you just look at it?
Look, got boost. He's got the got boost thing going on. And there it is.
Would you look at that?
They're making fun of me. You guys are making fun of me. I know you are.
No,
it's all right. It's all right.
No, there's a video of it.
Of somebody saying it?
You know who Ed Bassmaster is?
No.
Dude, you gotta look him up. He's the greatest, funniest dude ever. Ed Bassmaster.
What, he's got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, here.
You can't
I'll show
advertise
Who are
on the
you?
YouTube
I'm
channel.
MustangMedics.
It's absolutely hilarious.
Who's that?
I'm subscribing.
I've done 7,400 videos since 2001 when you were probably like 4 years old.
Nah,
I called her out.
No, I was like 3.
Yeah. Ouch, you make me feel old. And
Dude, you got 13,000 subscribers.
yeah.
you,
Is that a lot?
wow.
You guys a lot?
Now you got
That's a lot.
13,001.
Oh, there you go. We got a subscriber on video one
This
time.
is the video we're quoting.
Hunter is a
So you like,
Look at that. That's
I never showed a YouTube video on my video.
Wait, just
So how do you look it up so they can look it up?
Would you just look at that?
Would you just look at that?
Would you just look at
All
that?
right, so would you just look at that? Check out his videos, and I'll put up your link.